economic problem. In this video, we will study about this economic problem. Now, let's see with an example. Your income is rupees 20,000 only. Now, there are many expenditures that you have to do. Let's say electricity, food, rent, then your traveling expenses, right? Now you have to allocate this 20,000 to these. Now let's say after doing all this, you are left with 5,000 rupees. Now either you can save your 5,000 or there are alternatives. You can save or you can buy clothes if you need it. You have to buy one like what you can buy within 5,000. You can say you have to buy one Geo phone adapter 4G. See now, how will you allocate your 5,000? That depends on your how will you be satisfied with it. Like you can save 1,000. You can buy clothes for 1,000. You can save 2,000. You can buy a Geo adapter with worth rupees 2,000. Right? So this is how you have allocated your 5,000. But see, within 5,000 you can buy only a cloth of rupees 1,000. Can you buy a 3,000 rupees cloth? If you buy a 3,000 rupee cloth, then you cannot save. You will have to. You will only be able to buy 2,000 of Geo adapter, or you won't be able to buy Geo adapter. You could save 2,000 rupees. So these are the various alternatives that can happen. So the problem is to choose among the various alternatives or your allocation of resources. How you should allocate your resources. Your resources this, how will you allocate your resources to the different users? So the how to choose something. This is the economic problem we have. So economic problem is essentially the problem of which alternative to choose amongst the available economic alternatives. And this was on your part. This is the same with the producer. This is the same with the you're a consumer. This is the economic problem faced by everyone. For the producer, it is like he has the investment of 1 lakh. How he should invest his 1 lakh so that he is using his resources fully and efficiently. That is the economic problem. So economic problem is the problem of which alternative to choose amongst the available economic alternatives. Let's suppose a producer produces sugar and salt. So how he should allocate his resources to produce sugar and salt? If he increase the production of salt, he has to reduce the production of sugar. If he increase the production of sugar, he has to reduce the production of salt because he has the limited resources with him. So how to allocate the resources or how to choose among the alternatives available, that is your economic problem. See, the root cause for your economic problem is the scarcity of resources, that there is shortage of resources everywhere. This is the root cause. Now let's understand the causes, the other causes of an economic problem. Number one is your unlimited wants. So you're never satisfied completely. You will be having one or the other want every day. So your wants are unlimited. Wants of human beings are unlimited. This is the basic fact of life of human nature. We can never be satisfied. Some wants are everlasting, like the need of food, clothes, and housing. Some wants grow as income. If your income increases, you will be buying AC, car. So you have unlimited wants with you. The second thing is your limited resources. I told you there is a scarcity of resources, so your resources are always limited. There is limited amount of resources available in the society, every society. Resources are land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. All the four are required to produce goods and services. No society has enough of all the fours. See, if I say India, India has more labor, right? But less capital. The money with India is less. If we take about example of USA, USA has more capital. The money with US is more to invest, but less labor. They do not have labor. The labor is very less compared to India. So there are limited resources to everything. And the third is alternative uses of resources. Alternatives means that a resource can be used for many purposes, but a resource can be used only for one purpose at a time. A piece of land can either be used to grow a crop, or to make it as a garden, or to build a house on a land, or you can build a factory on a land, but it can be either one of that. So to choose among the alternative is your economic problem, and these are the causes of an economic problem. I hope you liked the video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with